welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm the Laura Nicole. Today we are talking about our healthy hair journey because we are in our healthy hair era. About 5+ years ago, I started my healthy hair journey because my curls was looking like this, and now my curls look like this. And over the course of having my healthy hair journey, guys, I've learned so much. I've picked up so many tips and tricks. So I thought, why not share these tips and tricks with all of you guys and make this a healthy hair journey series. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a hairstyle that is perfect for anybody that has heat damage, or even if you don't have heat damage and you just really want to have a hairstyle that is low manipulative, which we all know helps your hair to grow, as well as a hairstyle that will help you to retain length, and that is mini twists or jumbo twists, depending on whatever size twists you prefer. So if you're interested in today's video and want to join this healthy hair era series, let's get started with today's video.
So for this style, I like to separate my hair initially into 2 sections just to make doing the back of my head easier. Now, as far as sectioning for this hairstyle, I'm going to be doing smaller sections to create a medium-sized twist. For this style, I'm going to be using the As I Am rice water, which is my favorite water to use for protective styles, as it's full of hair food that will help your hair to grow. And once this is sprayed into my hair, I'm going in with the Odele leave-in conditioner and will be using a small amount. I'm going to rake this into my hair, and for the last product before twisting my hair, I'm using the As I Am Jamaican Black Castor Oil Smoothie. For the actual twists, I like to start by braiding my hair, and then 1/4 of the way, I like to begin to twist my hair. To make this hairstyle last a little longer and to add some length to my twist, I like to implement curled braiding hair, but that is completely optional. And regardless if you want to add the extended braiding hair or if you just want to twist your regular hair, the way that I go about it is still the same, by braiding 1/4 of the way and then parting that section into 2 and then twisting the rest of it all the way down. To secure both my regular hair and the braiding hair, I like to lock in this style while using a mousse. Now I continue to do these steps all around my head, and for a slowed down version or a close-up tutorial for implementing the braiding hair, I grab 1 piece of crochet passion twist hair. I like to use this hair because it matches my curl type. You should find a braiding hair if you are going to extend your mini twist that is similar to your curl type, just to give a more natural appearance. Now with the crochet curl, I do the feed-in braiding method by splitting it into 2 and then simply braiding it into my hair. You guys let me know if you want a slowed down tutorial on how to actually do a feed-in method. But like I said, I just braid in 1/4 down of the section, and then you will stop braiding, split the braid into 2 sections, and then begin to twist the rest of that section. Before I finish the style, I'm going to be going in with the Briogeo Destined for Destiny oil, which is full of biotin, which helps your hair to grow as well as make it thicker. And then I'm going to be applying this all over my scalp, all over my head. After that oil, I go in with the Sacred Nourishing Hair Oil by shaking this onto my palms and then rubbing it together and then applying it onto the twist to add shine. The last product for this style is this Locks and Braids mousse, which helps with frizz and keeping the twists looking fresh, and I apply that to the roots of my hair, and then this is the final look. This style is so cute and easy to do. I can leave this style in for weeks, and it's extremely versatile. You guys let me know in the comments if you want a video of different ways to style these mini twists.
Babes, I hope that you really enjoyed today's video and picked up some tips and tricks that you can implement in your own mini twist routine. You guys let me know in the comments what else you want to see from my page regarding this healthy hair series. Don't forget to like today's video as well as share with a girlfriend, and I'll see you babes next time.